This cough.
Mucus levels are high today, huh? Good thing those other meds don't last.
Not today, cough and chest congestion. I got Mucinex 12 hour.
Most medications let mucus build back up after just 4 hours. Mucinex 12-hour works continuously to break up mucus and move it up and out. Mucinex 12-hour for cough and chest congestion. Rid the congestion, kill the cough. Also rid severe sinus congestion and pressure for 12 hours. Ask a pharmacist for Mucinex D.